don't know how loud it is in here. But welcome to the channel. This is Stephanie, I am Trey, and today we are driving a camper van to Rome.
We are.
Fun fact, Rome is home to over 4 million.
So if it's for the day event,
So the city of Rome is known for its 7 hills. It's actually sometimes referred to as the 7 Hill.
Oh, really? That's why that campground is called 7 Hills.
So it's often referred to the city of 7 hills. Ironically, the city of Cincinnati has been referred to as the city of 7 hills.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you want to help me finish?
I always help you finish. First stop in Rome, I got some lasagna, homemade lasagna, and Stephanie got a Caesar salad with an extra layer of balsamic vinegar. Had a ton of chicken in it too. Fun fact, Rome's history spans over 28 centuries. And we're 28 years old. What a coincidence. That's Caesar on his horse, and Stephanie just had one of his salads. First impression, not as crowded as I thought it was going to be. I honestly thought it was going to be more crowded. There's statues everywhere, so...
But then again, we're not even in like Coliseum area yet.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Let's go see how much the tickets are to see the Capitol Museum. Ask the cops where the best gelato is.
Yeah.
Just go out like there's so many people.
apparently you're supposed to throw a coin over your left shoulder with your right hand in order to find love. People don't understand that they're blowing the whistle because they keep sitting down on the fountain. Like,
But there, in their defense, there's no sign. At least I haven't seen one.
I don't think you need a sign. I mean, it's a respect thing, not a sign. You don't need a sign that says, "Don't sit on my nice fountain."
So we just got done at the Trevi Fountain, which was honestly to be expected, the crowd and everything. I mean, there's no way that you're getting a solo shot. I heard about this rooftop bar at this really nice hotel, so that's where we're gonna go to get some drinks and to relax.
Honestly, fountain was absolutely beautiful. The people around it were as expected to be.
Yes, I guess worded that wrong.
Yeah, I mean, they'll squeeze in any gap they can so they can take a selfie with the fountain behind them. What we've learned is if you just have like a little patience, every once in a while you'll get a window to get a good selfie or picture. So
That's honestly, yeah, I would say that's what's been happening a lot is we'll think like, oh darn, we missed our shot, and then about 5 minutes later, not even 5 minutes later, everybody's gone.
Yeah.
Everybody. It's like in spurts.
yeah, now where do we go? Just all the full-grown men on scooters.
That's really good. Oh my gosh, that's really good. So we just finished up at the rooftop bar, and now we're heading to go get some. We just finished up at the rooftop bar that I actually had a recommendation on from TikTok, and it was really nice. The view was gorgeous, and we got to be there for the sunset. So now we're heading to a homemade pasta restaurant, and it has over 24,000 reviews. And I'm really excited to go and try this. The pictures looked amazing, and pasta just sounds
24,000 reviews.
mwah.
4.5 stars?
No, 4.8. Out of 24,000 reviews, they still have a 4.8 star rating?
That's incredible.
That's really good. It's only about, I think, a 25-minute walk. And then a hour walk back to our car, which is, it's an hour and 20-minute walk anyway back to our home. So, taking a little detour, getting some pasta. It's actually our first time getting pasta on this whole trip.
Yeah. Just met some Australians leaving the rooftop bar.
It makes me want to go.
To Australia?
It makes me want to go.
I love Australians. They really are like, honestly, I don't know, they just love to party and drink. It's like ours.
Yeah, I've never met like they're always happy.
I know.
They're always happy here. I want to live on Australia.
I'll live on Australia.
Or here. I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, I just want to go down there, ride bikes, and party with them.
Heck yeah. At least have some friends there, you know, like we do in Ireland.
Yeah.
We're like, we just hit them up and be like, hey, alright,
Good day.
I'm finally okay paying that $1,200 plane ticket. Look at this dude.
local.
got out of jail.
Local legend. Fun fact, after the Romans took over the world, they started drinking heavily. And that's how the Roman Empire collapsed. So I would figure out how to drink heavily and then take over the world.
So we each get 2 different pastas and then we'll share them both. Looks so good.
I wish you guys could smell the streets down here. They smell absolutely amazing.
They do. It's really good.